Hey guys, I'm doing another update video. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try and take a video of putting the door panel back on so you guys can see. Then I'll do the front tires on it. See if I can find a way for it. See if I can find a place to put this. Alright. Try and find an angle. Trying to get my camera to stay up. Holy cow, this is hard. There we go. I'm going to take this video now. Alright, here we go. First thing we gotta do is put the speakers back in the door. You gotta plug that back in. Then we got a straight speaker back in. There's 4 volts for that. Like that. Screws in the bottom. Speaker. Make sure they're tight. You don't want to take it off again. It's a pain in the ass. Definitely got to replace that speaker. Okay, speakers are in. Now what we got to do is we got to get, I took the mirror off just in case, so we got to get these little bolts here. And I'll put them on the mirror. And then to put the mirror on, you're going to need a 5/16
Maryland, tomorrow we have a man tractor coming in. Finally, someone with a great idea. And we have tickets to see and meet Oprah Winfrey. All right, meet tonight too.
You don't want to take it too much, otherwise okay, that'll work. Alright. Now there are a whole bunch of clips around the door here. So, like that one. And you gotta pop the panel right here back into all the clips. You gotta stick it in the lock. Without breaking it. So, also, this piece for the mirror, you gotta put that on right there. So, it's important. Don't put that on until after the door panel on. Okay, what else do you got here? Locks always go on last. Okay, so we're going to door panel here. You want to make sure you get all the little wires and everything through the correct hole. So, you got to line up back here with the clip. Show you how to do that. Find out. Also, there's a little plug in the bottom of the door you got to put into the light when you open the door. Okay. You gotta put the wires through. And you lock them in. And you gotta line them up with the holes so they can pop the panel back in. You gotta make sure you get that lock once it's in the back. Out. Make sure you don't pinch the power into the cable. Okay, now you just gotta pop it in. Make sure you don't pinch the steel block. Okay, well, there we go. Panel's on. Now you got the bolt there. Also, you have to put, once you screw the mirror on with these 4 screws right here, you got to put the panel back on. So, it's pretty straightforward. Just kind of slides on. Just remember, if you're going driving after, you got to adjust your mirror back. Okay. So that's in there. A little loose, but you know, whatever. Go to your new piece. Okay. Now, I gotta find the bolt for the door panel here. There it is. I think that was it, isn't it? Nope. Gotta find the bolt for it. Oh, here it is. Is that it? No, that's for the door lock. These bolts are disappearing from everywhere, I swear to God. Okay, well, I'll get to putting the door handle on so we don't waste video. Okay, so you got the piece here on the back that you gotta clip in. So, pull that out. Clip that in. And then I just realized that there should be a piece, oh shit, I don't know if I can get it now. It's for the door open and close piece. Yeah, it's right here, so you gotta pull that up and through. Let's try and get it through. Okay. And there it is right there. So you gotta get that piece on. I'm gonna put the camera here for a second. What's up? Getting this damn window fixed. Finally fixed it. Right, it wasn't working, so I had to get it ordered. Now, should the power window come back in? It's underneath. There you go. Let me pop back.